Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video we talked about how to delete a node from a circular single linked list. Hope the concept was clear. Now in this video let's talk about how we can delete the entire circular single linked list. So the steps are extremely simple. All that we have to do is we have to disconnect this link, then we have to disconnect this link, and finally we have to disconnect this link. So if we disconnect this link over here, node 1 now does not get pointed by head, it only gets pointed by node 6. So till now it is not eligible for garbage collection. Once we delete this connection over here, now node 1 does not get pointed by any of the nodes. So now it is eligible for garbage collection. So node 1 gets deleted, node 2 gets deleted, 3, 4, 5. But since node 6 is pointed by tel, it will not be deleted. So for that we have to disconnect this connection. Once it is done, node 6 also gets deleted. Now you might be wondering that how come node 2 gets deleted when it is already being pointed by 1, or how come node 4 gets deleted when it is being pointed by node 3? So the answer is very simple. Node 2 does not get deleted till the time node 1 is deleted. Once node 1 is deleted, then there is no more reference which is pointing to node 2. So this link does not exist anymore. So node 2 automatically gets deleted. Now once node 2 gets deleted, this link over here also gets destroyed. So node 3 is now not being pointed by any of the reference. So node 3 will also get deleted. Similarly, node 4 and node 5. Now let's see how does the algorithm of this looks like. So the algorithm is extremely simple. The name of the method is delete linked list. It takes head and tail references. Then it updates head with a null value. So this link here gets deleted. Then tail.next is equal to null. What is tail.next? It is this one is equal to null. So once we update here as null, this link here gets deleted. The last step is tail is equal to null. So we update tail with a null and this link over here also gets destroyed. So now starting from node 1, all the nodes are eligible for garbage collection. So all of them gets deleted one by one. Now let's see what is the time and space complexity of this algorithm. So in the entire algorithm, all that we are doing is we are updating some of the reference variables. So all of them are constant time operation. So adding all of them will take order of 1 time. Similarly, space complexity will be order of 1 because we might be using some temporary variables when we are doing the actual code, but nothing more than that. So that is a constant space complexity. So with that we come to end of this video. In the next video, let's recap all the time and space complexity of the 6 operations that we have learned in the last few videos. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.